Welcome back. Those clouds moved out today, turned into an absolutely beautiful night tonight, Dave.
Oh, yes.
We are looking forward to a nice weekend as well.
Yeah, we got a great weekend ahead of us tonight with the clear skies, the dry air outside, no moon. You can see a couple of the planets very well out there this evening. If you look off towards the west, you can see like a really bright star. That is Venus this evening. So got some good star watching out there this evening. Also, got a couple of good pictures in from some of those thunderstorms earlier this afternoon. We had one sent in near I-35 in the north side. And this picture is of some mammatus clouds that usually forms when you get rain droplets and different things that are forming inside of the clouds. They get lifted up and drop back down, kind of give that bubbly effect to the bottom of the cloud deck. So I want to thank Hans for sending in this picture near I-35 in Parmer earlier today. Now, we didn't get a whole lot of weather in our backyard. We saw really dark clouds, got kind of windy in spots. But the rainfall numbers were very unimpressive, and the rain then really kind of picked up as it pushed off towards the east. Now this evening, just got a couple leftover little showers in deep South Texas. Had a couple of baseball-sized hail reports down there earlier. Also a couple of tornado reports around Corpus Christi and then down towards the south as well. But we're setting up for a pretty quiet weekend across the entire state of Texas. We've got dry, high pressure moving back into our backyards, and that's going to provide us with tons of sunshine. So the rainfall totals today, look at how low these numbers were. Most of them were under 1/10 of an inch. Very low stuff. We picked up officially 2/100ths of an inch of rain here in Austin. The big winner in our area was LaGrange at nearly 1/5 of an inch of rain. That's still very low. Normally, for any normal day in April, we should average about 5 to 6/100ths of an inch of rain. So this stuff is even below normal for the day, and we're nearly an inch below normal for the entire month. And at this point, it doesn't look like there's not much more rain in the forecast for the rest of April. So it is going to finish off, it looks like, on a pretty dry note, which for the weekends is good news, but for the work week, we could probably use a little bit of water for the lawns and the plants outside. So tonight, got clear skies out there. We've got 70 degrees, our current temperature still. Look at the humidity level, though, has dropped down to about 38%. So with dry air in place and clear skies, I do expect to see a pretty chilly night tonight, but even colder tomorrow night because the winds are going to be a little bit lighter tomorrow night into Sunday morning. Current temperatures have already fallen down to 64 out at Lakeway, 66 in Fredericksburg and Mason, 68 currently in San Marcos. Dew point numbers measure how moist or dry the air is. A couple days ago, they were in the 60s and 70s. Now they've dropped to the 50s off east, and we've got 40s and upper 30s in parts of the hill country. So that means we are going to see temperatures dropping into the low to mid 40s in parts of the hill country later on tonight and for Sunday morning as well. And we're going to keep lots of sunshine in the forecast too, because that front is going to continue to kind of push off towards the east. The drier air will filter in behind it, and it's going to sit in our backyards at least for the next 72 to 96 hours. So we got another couple of days of just beautiful weather, but we're going to have a little bit of a breeze that's going to come with it tonight and through the day tomorrow, at least the first half of the day. And then I think by tomorrow afternoon, as the high kind of settles in over our area, the winds will become especially light later tomorrow afternoon into the evening, and that will set us up for a very cool night Saturday night into Sunday. So tonight, expecting overnight lows here in the city right around 53. We'll see north to northwest winds at about 5 to 15. 53, though, here in the city of Austin, going to be one of the warmest numbers across the area. We're going to see numbers dropping to about 49 in Burnet, 47 in Llano tonight, 46 in Mason, and 45 in Fredericksburg. Off towards the east will be a couple of degrees warmer, but still chilly. 51 expected in Bastrop and 53 in LaGrange. Although this stuff is kind of nice to kind of crack the window open and get some of that fresh air back into the house. We'll see temperatures tomorrow topping off at 76. That's going to be the coolest day of the next 7. We'll see temperatures climbing to 82 for Sunday, Monday, up to 83 on Tuesday. We'll see 84 and 85 Wednesday and Thursday with some morning fog and a few more clouds next Friday with a high of only 82.